my God. Sabi ng baby, ano lang nangyayari dito? Baby said, what happened here? My God. Okay, I said, tell me said together with you na I want you to bring me here a used diaper. Can we check? Taray. Pakiamoy nga. Alright, used diaper here. Congratulations, you have a gift. Oh my God. For our next item, Jollibee said, together with Yona, I want you to bring me here I want you to bring me here a Pustiso! Go! Joke lang yun, joke. Bakit ganun? Bakit isa lang ang tinuturo nyo? Guys, joke lang. My God. Nagpa-portion ako. Okay. We have an acorn here, but I'm red. Okay, for our next item, Jollibee said, together with Yona, I want you to bring me here a 500 Rial. Go! 5, 4. What is it today? 13. Sana all, may 500 pa. Patingin niya po. Baka fake to. Oh, not fake. Let me check. Ding! Okay. Savings. What's your name, ma'am? Grace. Okay. We have a twist. It's okay, this 500 will give to our birthday shot. Yes or no? Again. I will ask you a question. This 500 will give to our birthday celebrant, Yona. Yes or no? No, just joking. So congratulations, you have a 500. And also, you have a gift prize. Guys. Okay, thank you so much. She said, huh? Okay. Parang nagtaka siya, nagbigay na ako 500. May good, bisita lang ako dito. Pa 500 pa. Alright, thank you so much. And now for our next item. For our next item, I want a 5 item. Yan, 5 item. Alright, for our next item, kailangan ko 5. So, 1 by 1 po, ha? Okay, 1 by 1. Alright? For our next item, Jollibee said, together with Yona, I want you to bring me here. I want you to bring me here a adult QID. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I will be back to you. Okay. Naalala niyo ako nag-host ako sa inyo magtama? Hindi niyo na maalala kung ano gagawin ko rito? Hindi ba? May I call on to Ma'am Maria. Yan. Pakibaba po yung bata. Pakihawak po kita. Maganda to. Alright. So, okay, Daddy, can you please help me to choose 2 members? 2 members. May I call on to first name? May I call on to? Next name. No. You need to choose another guest to join this team. No. Not Mami and Daddy na kayo. The other guest. Yes. Coming from the guest. Zenny. Jenny? Ayan. Next, Mami. Sino po ang pwede namin isali pa? Jessa. Jessa. Ayan pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ma'am Jessa, dito na po tayo, ma'am. Okay. You need to pull it in here, and then please pour in front of here. Okay. This is a trap. Yeah. Okay. For our next game is what we call a hala bira. Okay. Looks like a hep parade. I will explain it. Okay. If I turn the mic on you like this, you need to say hala. And then the next is bira. Okay? Hala, bira. For example, hala, bira. Okay? Okay. Hala, bira. Sample. 1, 2, 3, go. Hala, bira. Yeah! I like it. Okay. Hala, bira. Okay. Example. Okay, parang hip-hip parade lang po. Yan ano? Parang hip-hip parade. Hip-hip parade. Okay? Parang ganun lang po. Like this, sir, ha? Okay, example. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, I like your energy. Again, ha? Again. You need to do this like this. Bira. Okay? Hala! Bira. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, nag-iisa na lang yung camera. Dito tayo. Sample tayo dito sa dalawa. Okay? You need to watch this one, sir. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Yeah, like this. Okay? Sample. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, very good. If you do like hala, bira, and you need to do bira again, you're out. Okay? All you need to do is to one by one only. Okay? Hala, bira. And you say it again, bira, you're out of the playing game. All you need to do is hala, bira in order. Okay? Very good. Did you understand, sir? Okay, very good. Ready? Ready? Parang may peporin lang sa ready tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, yeah, that's sample mo naman. Sample mo na, okay? Again, if they say hala and then she said hala, out. Okay, very good. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira!
Again!
Hala! 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 Bira! Bira!
Yan. If I choose you again, hala. Again, hala, bira, hala. All you need to do is hala, bira. Okay? Again and again and again. If the mic is on you. Okay? Ready? It's our sample again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Yeah! Very good. Very good. Very good. Ready?
What are you gonna do like this?
Ready? Oh, quick ka na ng ating birthday celebrate. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Oh! Wait. We have a difficulties, okay? So, she do that, bira. And the hands is up. Now, Mom, you're out of the playing game. Yes! Very good. Okay, we have a 5 left team. Okay, 5 member. All right, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala! Bira! Bira!
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, kung sino ang mananalo dito sa game natin ay mayroong special prize. Dumating na iPhone 16 Pro Max! Okay. 4. Ready, and kailangan ma'am, ganun talaga tayo. Yan! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala!
Hira!
Hala!
Hira!
Hala!
Oh, wait. Okay, you need to do faster, ha? You need to do faster. Parang nag-bump siya, parang I think, Pentium 4. Yeah, parang Pentium 4 lang tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala!
Hira!
Hala!
Hira!
Hala!
Allah! And now Ready. Last three. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Dira! Hala! Hala!
Nauna kasi yung tawa mo. Apakasaya mo tawa mo. Hala! Ang taray, oo. Okay, balik tayo dito, ma'am. Huwag ka magugulat, ma'am, ha? Ready? Pabilisan, ha? Kung sino yung mabagal, ma-out na dito. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala!
Hira!
Hala!
Hala!
Hala! Sabi niya, hala. She's shocked. Hala. Okay, ready? Last 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Dira! Hala! Dira! Hala! Dira! Hala! Dira! Hala!
Hoy! Wag yun. Oo, masama yun. Oo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hala! Dira! Hala! Dira! Hala! Dira! Hala! Dira! Hala!
Oh! We have a winner! Congratulations, ma'am. This is right there. And now, we have a treat. I said we have a special prize for you. Okay? For my special prize, all you need to do is to choose a pet. Okay? Any kind of pet. Dog. Okay, and now you choose a dog. Okay? All you need to do is to sing a happy birthday using a dog sound. Yeah! Hindi pwede yung mananalo ka lang dito. Pinaghihirapan dito yung Okay, tayo, ma'am. Tayo, ma'am. Okay.
Gusto mo yan.
Oo. Gusto mo manalo? Tuwa pa siya kanina. Oo. Ngayon malungkot ka. Ready? All you need to do is to sing a happy birthday using a dog sound. Okay? Oo. Ako pa ba? Kaya mo yan. Okay? Ready? Okay, 1. You need to sing. Okay, you need to sing. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Again. Dinuduraan niyo na ako. Okay. Ramdam ko. Ang tayo ng mga guests dito, mga mapanakit, ano? Ready! Nagtatrabaho lang po akong maayos na. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wala pa kayo natin! Yun na yung special praise mo, ma'am. Naging special praise ko rin dito. Maraming salamat. And once again, please give a round of applause for our participation. Congratulations. And now, our special guest is already arrived. Wow. Who is our special guest? Our special guest is already arrived. And now, let's all welcome your best friend, my best friend, and our best friend. Let's all welcome Jollibee! Hindi na nakapasok ng special guest natin. Akala ko yun na yun, oo. Nagulat ako, oo. Bakit parang dumili? Alright, again, let's all welcome our best friend, your best friend. Let's give it up for Jollibee! Hi Jollibee, welcome to your birthday party. And now Daddy, may I call him to also Daddy, come here. Yes, alright, so Mommy and Daddy, let's take a family picture first. Together with Jollibee. Alright, so take a family picture together with our mascot, Jollibee. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and Yoma! Alright, finger heart like this, Mommy and Daddy. Finger heart like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile. Alright, and now, this is the time that Jollibee, they have a special dance number. Yeah! As I told you, Jollibee, they have a special dance number. Okay? And now, ladies and gentlemen, you want to see Jollibee dancing? Yay! I can hear you again. You want to see Jollibee dancing? Yay! Alright. Ready? Okay, you need to stay there at your chair. Okay, and now, we have a announcement. Okay? Sa mga parents po natin, please hold your kids. Please hold your kids tightly because Jollibee is not that they have a limited seeing only. Ayan, okay? Iwasan po natin na lumapit yung mga kids natin kay Jollibee while dancing. Uy, Jollibee! Tsaka pa talaga nagkakamot, oh. Alright! Alright, again, I will ask you again. You want to see Jollibee dancing? Yeah! Alright, then now, be ready, Jollibee, for your special dance. Are you ready, Jollibee? Alright. Wait. Sorry ha, Jollibee Sino mas kapo sa inyo, Jollibee? Si Daddy, Siyempre, Daddy eh. Alright, and now bago sumayaw si Jollibee, bigyan natin ng malakas sa palakpakan! Ang lakas, oo. Again, please give it up for Jollibee! Let's get it on. You ready? Let's go.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system.
Bruninho chegou, porra! Cadê as popozuras? Bruninho já chegou, agora a festa é no Brasil. Cadê as popozuras? Fazem o quadradinho. Bruninho já chegou, agora a festa é no Brasil. Cadê as popozuras? Fazem o quadradinho. Esse é o pé no chão, esse é o bonde todo mundo. Esse é o pé no chão, esse é o bonde todo mundo. Jollibee. Oh, 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 And now, Mommy and Daddy, let's proceed to the main part of this event, which is the candle blowing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I will invite you all to please all stand up. Okay, let's all stand up, guys. Okay. Let's go! Alright, again, we will sing a happy birthday song. I need a louder, okay? As long as you can, okay? Ready, guys? So, get ready for our candle blowing. Okay, just raise, okay? Alright. So, get ready, everybody, for our birthday song. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Louder! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, and now for now, with the energy. Go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, now let's all shout happy birthday, Yona, in 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Yona! Alright, and now Mommy and Daddy together with Yona, you may now blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Once again, please give it up for our birthday sovereign, Yona! Alright, and now also Mommy and Daddy, I need your wish for Yona. And now, Daddy, you need to be first. What is your... Kanina pa, isa may parang may lumura sa akin. Alright, and now, Daddy, what is your birthday wish to Yona?
I wish that she will be successful in studies and will be healthy and I'll be taking care of her and I'll be good at it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Daddy, for your wonderful birthday wish to Yona. Alright, and now, Mami, ano naman po ang birthday wish niyo po para kay Yona? Or what is your birthday wish sa nag-iisang anak na si Yona?
All the best for my daughter.
Alright! Once again, palapakan naman natin, Mommy and Daddy, Yona! Thank you so much, guys! And now, syempre, we have picture taking. Again, Mommy and Daddy and together with Jollibee. Ano? Jollibee, ano nang tinuturo mo dyan? Why you pointed at yourself? You have a birthday wish also to Yona. Wow, talaga naman, birthday. May pa-birthday. Ay, hindi pa na-blow yung candle. Again! Ready? In 1, Mommy, blow! 1, 2, 3! Yes! Thank you so much. Huwag ka na kaya pasikat dito si Jollibee, oh. Again. Parang hindi siya na, ano. Again, ready, tingnan natin.
Duraan mo!
Wow. Okay. Baka biglang sumilyap. Hanapin natin. Okay. And now, again, Mommy and Daddy, let's set up family picture again. And now next, all the kids. And then, Nino and Nina, meron po ba dito? Okay, so, relatives. They have a relatives? Okay, friends na lang. After this family picture, next natin is yung mga kids natin. Alright, so picture taking, Mommy and Daddy. Mag-birthday wish ka ba, Jollibee? May birthday wish nga pala, oo. Alright, so be ready, Jollibee. Nakalimutan na, oh.
Okay, ready? Look at here.
Ready! Look at here, ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at the camera, Daddy. 1, 2, 3, yes, smile. One more time, ready? Finger heart like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Finger heart. Okay, next is kids, all the kids. Please come here at the front. Okay, all the kids, come here, come here. Come on, all the kids, guys, come on, come on. All the kids. Sige po, sama po kayo mag-yan. Sa gilid po kayo. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and smile! Ready, 1, 2, 3, say cheese! Cheese! Very good. Okay, next naman natin is yung mga friends po nila mommy and daddy. Okay, friends with mommy and daddy. Alright, all the girls first, okay? All the girls, come on, all the girls, please come here at the front. All the girls, come here at the front, okay? All the girls po. Alright, so move here, ready, closer, ready, 1, 2, 3, and smile. One more time, finger heart like this, ready, 1, 2, 3. Alright, one more time, and now point to our birthday celebrant. Yeah. Yes, and hi to our live audience. Thank you so much. Next, all the boys. Come on, all the boys. Thank you.
Wow, okay. Ay,
Alam na kanina may special prize.
Obe.
Nag-aw-aw siya.
Okay, ready?
Ready, 1, 2, 3, and smile. Bigger heart like this. Ready, 1, 2, 3. And now point to our birthday celebrant. Yeah. And now, all of you guys, they have a chance to take a picture with Jollibee. Come on, come here at the front. Kung sino man po ang gusto magpa-picture kay Jollibee, ito na po ang chance niyo magpa-picture kay Jollibee. Okay, thank you. If you want to take a picture with Jollibee, come here at the front. And now we have a special announcement. Ito na, special announcement Ate Jollibee. Alright, and now for our special announcement, the food is officially open! Sabayan talaga sila. Sige. Alright, so yung mga gusto pa po magpa-feature kay Jollibee. Alright, so yung mga gusto na pong kumain, open na po ang ating food para dito po sa birthday party ni Yoda. Alright, so sa mga kids natin, for kids, we have a Jolly food here at the side. So get your food, Jolly food, and enjoy your food. Alright.
Okay, ready? Sige, okay, ready? Come on here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Back to here.
Ikaw talaga Jollibee, ah. Alright, next.
What is the baby? Picture. Okay, look at
Alright, look at the camera ready, guys. You want to be and smile. Okay, one more. Next solo, solo ni Kitty. Solo, ready. One, two, three, and smile. Show your teeth. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Diba? Parang hindi nagugutom yung bata. Parang hindi gutom yung bata. Parang hindi halata. Alright, and now, Jollibee stay not longer. Babalik na po siya sa masaya at makulay na mundo ng Jolly Town. Again, Jollibee stay not longer. Jollibee will back into Jolly Town. Thank you so much for coming, Jollibee. Maraming salamat, Jollibee, for having us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jollibee. See you again.
Bye.
Again, the food is officially open. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much.